Alright, I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy solder connection with this guy. Oh geez, there we go, focus. With this kit right here. There we go. I got this kit from Amazon, Kuject, whatever you want to call it. Comes with all the different size connections that you're gonna need. Go ahead and turn my headlight on. Boom! I also got this heat gun off of Amazon as well. Now the reason I'm doing this, I got some wires chewed up from a rodent that you can see. This is a plug to the transfer case, so I need to fix that. Now, with different opinions on solders, whatever, you know, Audi says don't solder because you put a lot of heat on it, but this tin melts really easy. So I mean, I would use that as a factory connection, or even in factory repairs. There we go with that. So I'll go ahead and show you. I'm gonna make it with this guy, and I'm actually gonna ohm test it before and after. Oh man, there we go. Look at that. We are multitasking. We got OL right there, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this guy right here. We're gonna put this guy right here. Comes up 0.1, 0.1, 0.2. You know, there could be different variations in the wires. These wires are pretty old, so I would call that a good, you know, connection. And what I'll do, I'll show you how to do it right now. So we're gonna cut it, get you a set of these easy strippers right here. Actually, it probably took a little bit too much off. I'll probably fast forward to the point where I actually get them all nice. Look at that. There we go. All right. So now, go ahead, some excess, cut off some of that excess. You can tie them different ways. It's up to you. I'm not really going to school anybody. I'm not going to judge anybody. But you're going to go ahead and tie them up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyways. Tie them however your little heart desires for you to tie some wires, okay? Again, not judging. Not freaking judging. Okay, you can see that we're tied up. Now we're gonna take one of these guys. Now yes, I don't got freaking gloves on. There could be oils on it, yada yada yada, whatever. There we go. So we slid it on. And now we are just going to put, Jesus, this freaking thing. Put it in here. Let it warm up a little bit. We got it all heated up. I'm gonna put this guy right in here. And I freaking missed it. There we go. Nice melt action. Very poor example of multitasking, but you get the point. I'm like way the hell out, but you can see it actually melted. You can see the solder ring right there in the center. It's still going to be there, but overall we do have a soldered connection. YouTube videos on a budget. You feel me? Oh, you heard the Mustang in the background? Yeah, he don't want the smoke. We got right there, and right there. see what this says again. .3. There we go. We got 0.3, 0.4. Oh, there we go. 0.2. So good connection here, even though I really messed it up and I was way off on it. But 0.2 would be okay in my book. I mean, especially for this being off like it was. So yeah, there's that very terrible example. But you can see here a better example of one that I did that actually came out really good. Measured the same before and after. And this is an old wire that was actually underneath the car, and this is all corroded and hard, and it was this wire I wouldn't use because it measures half an ohm, 0.5 ohms, but after doing this, it actually measured 0.4 ohms, so it actually went down. So that's good. And the pull test, if I go ahead and okay, I'm lightheaded. There's that. Really simple. I'll go ahead and put a link to it. Don't do it like this, but you can even see poor soldering joint or location that I did on it. Is this ever going to focus? There we go. Poor location. Still measured okay with continuity. So I'm gonna get to it. I got some wires. You can see one right there hanging over there in the freaking corner that I gotta get to. I'll go ahead and put some heat shrink over on top of them for double checking the measures, and I'll get to it. So that's an easy way to make solder connections, and I'll get back to work. I'll put all this back together, use a few of these. I'll probably be here for an hour or so because I'm gonna make it all nice and neat. I gotta cut wires to length and all that good jazz, and that's it. I hope this helped. If you want to purchase it, yeah, you can go to my link in the description to get yourself a set of these, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next video. Thanks.